Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to choose the right Upwork job category. Why would you want to know how to choose the right Upwork job category? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to choose the right Upwork job category. So today I am going to show you how to choose the right Upwork job category. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are not finding proper jobs you need, you might selected the wrong category. Selecting the right category is very important, and how you can do that, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com. Now you are seeing search bar. Without typing anything, just click on search button. Now here at the top left corner, you are seeing category. From here, you can select a right category that suit your skill set and you will see jobs according to the category. There you go. If you wanted to know how to choose the right Upwork job category, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.